Hi. Hello everyone. So I actually had an idea today. I was like, oh my god, I got these like shirts. I was gonna put like the tie-dye, you know, people do like the bleach thing. And I've been procrastinating to do it all week. And then I was like, today's the day. You know, I woke up, I got dressed, I put makeup, put makeup on. What? And I got so excited. I was like, yeah, freak yeah. And then I realized it was super windy out, so the wind basically crushed my dreams. I mean, I guess I could still do it, but I'm not gonna. I was trying to magically think of another idea. I was like, but then I kind of decided I wasn't gonna. I was gonna let Google decide what I did today. I'm gonna ask Google what I should do on a windy day. So that's the video. Fly a kite. So I don't have a kite, but we can make one. Okay, let's go. I could look this up, and I probably should. I'm not gonna because I'm lazy. So instead, I just got a hot glue gun, 2 pieces of paper, some ribbon. Oh, also some scissors. I'm just gonna. Oh, I have to let it warm up. I'm stupid. So let's cut off the string then. That's good. Okay, but if this works out, imagine how cool that'd be. Like making a freaking kite. Kite maker check. Is it warm? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I glue this in the weirdest freaking way I could. Okay, we got our kite. So what if it slides? But I just really expected that to work. Next idea, experiment with wind socks, windmills. Wind socks, I don't have any of this.
And I'm not making something else.
Because that was defeating, you know? I was so excited. Storm damage, I don't know what that means. Stir of wind blowing fees and how the look at how birds fly in the wind. There's no freaking birds. Look at clouds moving and see if they're all moving the same way. This reminds me of like freaking like
biology
or something. Seed scattering and leaf catching. I don't even have a freaking tree. Run with and against the wind. Okay. Play with the wind. Well, see, those are all the ideas. I'm going to another website because that one sucked. Okay, what can you do on a boring cold day? Or just, you know, redecorate your room or home. No. Cuddle. You have no need to go outside. You can cuddle with a loved one. You cannot find a partner. You can cuddle with yourself.
They really called me up.
I mean, they somehow knew that I was just lonely.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Okay.
I'm done with this.
I don't want to do it anymore. I'm done.
I don't know. I just don't think this is like great for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.